today we are met here to get oriented about the Science Film Festival, which is starting from tomorrow. Now this film festival is the 4th edition in sequence. We started in 2016 and 17 and 18 and now it's 19. So 4th edition is this year. And every year we have been adding some new aspects to this film festival. Prior to the film festival, we always have a pre-activity, and in fact, the last event of the pre-activity is going on at the moment, and that is 125 schools have been visited, and there have been scientists who have interacted with the students with the theme that science can be a good career, and they have been using film as a medium to propagate the message of science.
But to be more precise, 128 institutes have been covered across the state of Goa and Sindhudurg district in Maharashtra. In this 128, the schools covered are 93, higher secondaries are 25, and 10 colleges. And in this whole event, 14 institutes partnered with us. I'll just name those. The first one is National Institute of Oceanography. Second one is National Council for Polar and Ocean Research. Third one is Goa University. Fourth one is Indian Council for Agricultural Research. Dhampe College of Arts and Science. Chogle College of Arts Science. Goa Engineering College. Don Bosco College of Engineering. Padri Kosasam College of Engineering. National Institute of Technology, Goa. BITS Pilani Goa Campus. Vigyan Prasad Delhi. Goa Pollution Control Board, and we have one scientist who is on sabbatical in Goa. He is from NASA, so he took around four institutes in Goa.
By now we are aware that the basic objective of this film festival is to spread awareness about the science. If you want our country to progress fast and progress well, science component is very, very required. It is science which will ensure that our growth, our progress is accelerated within very slow span of time. We should achieve whatever we want to do. Any field of life, if you see, the education, health, agriculture, any field you talk, science is very essential.